Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones SONY WI-C310 to your Android device. You have to start by open settings, go to connected devices or Bluetooth, now click on pair new device, then press and hold power button until you can see that LED light start blinking blue. Now we should see our headphones right here. Click on it. Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.